Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to create tweet for RSS feeds. So here as a content creator, I want to regularly update new feeds on my RSS website, and my objective is to share the same feed as a tweet on my X handle that was formerly Twitter. So now to automate this entire process, I will have to set up the connection between RSS by Pabbly and X, and that I am going to do without any coding and any programming skills, simply with the help of Pabbly Connect. So for your business, if you also want to learn this amazing automation step by step, for that you have to come towards my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. In this video we are going to learn step by step that how you can automatically share RSS feeds as tweets on your X handle. So let's suppose I'm a sports blogger and I publish match previews, player analysis and live score updates on my website. I also want to share these news as tweets on my X handle, but it is going to take a lot of time. Therefore, I want that as soon as I'm going to update my RSS feed on the website, automatically that RSS feed should be shared as a new tweet on my X handle. Now, before moving forward, first of all, you have to understand that what is RSS. So RSS stands for really simple syndication. It is a web feed format that allows users to receive updates from their favorite websites, blogs or news source all in one place. It automatically pulls new content such as articles, news or posts as soon as they are published on those websites, making it easier to stay up to date without manually visiting each site. So for making you understand, let's suppose I'm taking the example of NDTV over here. Let's suppose this is my website and these are all the RSS feeds I have. Although this is NDTV site, but I'm taking it as an example that this is a website through which I want to capture the response of RSS feeds, and I want to share the news which they are updating on their RSS feeds related to the sports as tweets on my X handle. For that, I will have to build the connection between this RSS feeds website and my X handle. And that I'm going to do without any coding and programming skills with the help of Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software which helps us to automate all our daily repetitive tasks without the requirement of any coding or programming knowledge, simply by setting up connections between work applications. It also has an amazing feature inside it, that is RSS by Pabbly, which helps us to capture the RSS feeds from different websites, and you will be able to automatically transfer those news, those responses to other applications. So today, with the help of Pabbly Connect, we will be simply automating the entire process of sharing RSS feeds as tweets on X. Let's get started. This is my home page of Pabbly Connect, where we can reach by tapping the URL pabbly.com/connect/INR in our browser. After coming over here, we will find two options, sign in and sign up for free. So in case if you are already an existing user, just click on sign in to log into your account. But if you are a new user, you have to click on this sign up for free button. It will help you to create a free new account just in 2 minutes. Also, when you will do that, you're going to receive 100 free tasks every month to explore this amazing software and to test multiple automations. So as an existing user, currently I'm going to click on sign in. This is all apps section where we can find all the products which are offered by Pabbly. To create this automation, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So let's click on access now. Now it has taken us towards the dashboard of our Pabbly Connect account. On the dashboard, we can find all our workflows which we have created. And to save the workflows, we can also create separate folders like this. Now to create a new workflow, let's click on this create workflow option. As we have done that, a dialog box has appeared in front of us, which is asking us to provide a name to this workflow. So first of all, let me provide a name over here. Create tweet for RSS feed. After giving the name to my workflow, now I'm going to select the folder. So these are all the folders I have for different purposes. I have created them. The automation which I'm going to set up currently is for my social media. So I'm going to select social media automations as the folder, and now I'm going to click on create. As we have done that, a new screen is open in front of us. The screen contains two extremely important windows, trigger and action. So trigger and actions are the two main concepts, the principles, or we can say these are the building blocks on which the entire automation runs. Here the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. That means the action is the response towards our trigger. So whatever we are going to select in our trigger is going to command the entire workflow, and the actions are going to follow that same command. Therefore, we can have only one trigger in any workflow, but we can add as many action steps as we want. Now let's suppose my objective is that every time I'm going to receive a new RSS feed from the website through which I want to capture the response, automatically a tweet for that RSS feed should be created on my X handle. For that, I'm going to take RSS by Pabbly in trigger and X in my action step. When we are going to set up the connection between these applications, then we will see that action is going to follow what the trigger commands. Because when the trigger happens, that means when the feed will be updated That means when the RSS feed will be updated on the website, then only the tweet will be created on next, otherwise not. So after understanding the whole concept of trigger in action, let us start creating our automation step by step. To start with the process, first of all, let's go towards our trigger step and let us select our trigger application over here. So our trigger application will be RSS by Pabbly. Let's select that. As I told you, it is a feature of Pabbly that helps us to capture the RSS feeds from different websites inside Pabbly Connect automatically. Now we have to select the action event. So what we want new item in feed. That means whenever a new item will be added in the feed of the website, automatically the response should be captured. Now let's click on connect. Now here, first of all, it is asking us for the feed URL. I am taking the example of NDTV. So this is the website of NDTV, RSS website, where they update latest news on different topics, top stories, India, movies, tech, etc. My objective is to share sports news. So I'm going to go towards sports channel, and here we have the feed URL of sports. So let's copy it. We'll move back and we'll paste it over here. In the similar manner, you can take any RSS website which you want. Now here we have to select the filter type. So I'm going to select default over here. Now we will capture the response. But before clicking on save and send test request button, let me tell you one more thing, that RSS by Pabbly is based on 1 hour of polling time. Polling time is actually the time which Pabbly Connect is going to take in order to check for new data. We have 1 hour of polling time for RSS by Pabbly. This means whenever a new feed will be updated in the website, after 1 hour, the response of that feed update is going to be captured inside Pabbly Connect. Alright, so here when we are going to click on save and send test request button, currently we are going to receive the response of the last news or latest news which was updated in the website which we have added over here. So let's click on save and send test request button. We have received the response in which we have received the last news update as RSS feed. We have the URL of that content as well, and we have the link of it. So I'm going to copy the link. I'm going to open it in a new tab, and you can see it is taking us towards the website. And here we have the same news. All right, now I want to directly share this link as tweet on my X handle. For that, we have to build the connection between X and Pabbly Connect. For that, let's go towards our action step. Let us select X as our action application. Formerly, it was Twitter, as you know. Now we have to select the action event. So we want to create tweet. Let's click on connect now. For building the connection, you can see we have two options, add new connection and select existing connection. So if you already have an existing connection, you can just quickly go with that. I'm going to show you that how you can create a new connection. For that, we have selected add new connection, and then we have to click on connect with X. That was formerly Twitter. Now, in order to build this connection, you have to provide the client ID and the client secret. How you're going to get these details, for that, I'm going to show you what you have to do. To get this, first of all, we have to click on this hyperlink learn more. Make sure that you are already logged into your X account. And over here, we have all the instructions. So when we'll scroll down, it is saying create a Twitter developer account. We have all the instructions that how you have to connect Twitter with Pabbly Connect. So let's click on this hyperlink developer.twitter.com. Over here, it is going to take us towards the developer platform of X. We have to go towards developer portal over here. So over here, you have to go towards projects and apps, and over here we have the project app created over here. So we have to go towards keys and token button. And here we have the client ID and the client secret. So first of all, let's copy the client ID. We will quickly paste it over here in the client ID field. Then the next is the client secret. So first of all, let's click on regenerate button. Yes, regenerate. And we have the client secret. So here I have copied it. I'm going to click on yes, I saved it. And now I'm going to paste it over here. As we have done that, now Pabbly Connect is asking us for the permission to access our X handle. It is 100% safe. So let's provide the access, and our authorization has become successful. This means our connection between X and Pabbly Connect is built. So now we just have to enter the details in these fields to create the tweet. So first of all, it is asking us for the message. What message you want to share in the tweet? So here is my message. New post alert. Catch the latest update. Here I'm going to enter the post title. Read more here, and I'm going to enter the RSS feed link over here. Then we have stay tuned for more sports insight and updates. So quickly let me enter the post title over here first of all. I'm not going to enter it manually. We will simply insert the data which we have already received. So you can see this is the title of the news, the RSS feed. I'm going to directly insert it from the previous step like this. And it has become dynamic as I've mapped it. So when we map our data like this from the previous step, it becomes dynamic, and then with each and every new response, it is automatically going to replace. In a similar manner, I'm going to map the link of the RSS feed as well. So when we'll scroll down here, we have the link. All right, I've mapped both these details, and now they're going to automatically replace. The data which we have entered manually is going to be same each time. Now let's move forward and click on save and send test request button. As we have done that, here we have received the response. It is saying that this is your tweet ID. So I will quickly take you towards my X handle. And here we'll go towards the profile. And you can see that my new post is created. My new tweet is created over here. And here we have the link of that RSS feed as well. When I'm going to click on this link, it is going to redirect me towards the news. This means our connection between RSS by Pabbly and X is absolutely successful, and every time a new item will be added in the feed of my RSS website, automatically that news is going to be captured with all the details, the link, the title, and as soon as it will happen, automatically a tweet will be created on my X handle for my followers. I hope the automation is clear to you. Also, it is helpful for your business, so you can also very easily create this amazing automation to maintain the consistency for the content and the tweets. Thank you for watching the video. Not only these applications, but you can integrate multiple such amazing applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any doubt, you can write us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you want to ask about the pricing, you can visit this website given over here. Do not forget to share our videos, like our video, and also subscribe our channel for more such amazing automations.